Hello guys, welcome to our apartment. Now is very excited right now because she's so mama. I'm gonna put her down, but I'm gonna show you our apartment and what paying $3,500 a month gets you here in San Diego. We have lived here for about 2 years now, so I'm gonna show you the good, the bad, and also just the area outside of the apartment. So first things first, we have a washer and dryer. Pretty nice, we use it every single day, and not a lot of units here have it unless you're paying at least $3,000 a month. So, of course, crate training. If our little puppy needs to go pee-pee or we just put her to sleep at night, she does sleep with us every single night, but sometimes we just put her here. And these chairs, if you could guess, but they you know how much they are, but each one of these is about $550. They're custom made. Very expensive. Well, we also cut the bottom, they were higher than that. I got both of these for $80 and we just scrubbed them and cleaned them really well. And this is the kitchen area. We have the Chanukiah because it is Hanukkah right now. And of course the appliances. It looks pretty nice, very new dishwasher, everything was pretty new. That is my power station. I removed it for now, but this is my favorite part is because I have all my supplements and all of my stuff for the gym that I show you guys every single day. And then of course I stash my protein over here, which is pretty nice. Of course we have the rice cooker, soap that the wifey likes, fruit, and then as I always tell you guys, the honey. That's like the main things that I like to show you. Pretty small area for a kitchen, but we love it. We just got this Christmas tree. We used to have a Christmas tree, New Year tree, whatever tree it is. It used to be covered with white fake snow, but it was getting kind of dirty everywhere, so we got this new one. Of course, Nala gets her toys. She has all of her toys in one spot. Right, Nala? This couch we got from IKEA. It's pretty nice.
It's from IKEA.
Oh, it's not IKEA? Where's it from?
Living Spaces.
Living Spaces, yeah. So we got this from Living Spaces. It's pretty nice. I like to just chill, especially on this shape, on this side, just do some work on the computer. We have the TV that we got from Costco. This we got from Target. She picked it. You guys let me know in the description if you like it. I think it looks pretty good. And then the Alex, Nala, and Lynn. Our picture in the middle. Christmas vibes. This is my favorite part of the room, my roller, because I roll every single day. I have back problems, so it really helps me. And then we also, of course, have my treadmill that I work on every single day, and it helps me burn more calories. This is my station that I do all my editing and all of my work when I'm at home. I have my MacBook Pro M1 2021, and if you can want to show them, baby. I like to have one of my cameras here just to, inspire me to create more content. Of course, my phone is here. I like the wireless charger. It looks really good, very clean. And of course, the lamp over here that I used to have lamps on the side, but it took too much space and I didn't like that, so I opted to this one. And then this one's pretty cool because we don't have too much natural light in this apartment. Here and there we do, but this makes the vibe of her station, my station look better. She is also vlogging, and I feel like I inspired her to do that. She wanted to do it some time ago, but I'm really proud of my baby. She's vlogging. That is her station, and honestly, I'm kind of jealous because she has a really nice monitor. I think this is, what is it called?
iMac Studio.
iMac Studio, yeah, with the MacBook Air, so it looks really good. She is in law, so she has a bunch of books that I would not be able to physically read in my life. I'm not a student for that. So we hung these some time ago, but it's 4 pictures just to brighten up the room of us when we did the photo shoot. It looks really simple, but it looks very clean. Just the 2 of us, and then we like to hide and put things away that we don't really typically want to see. So for example, this shower cleaner, every time now like pees or poops or anything, we use it for that. And also we have the laundry here. So if you're wondering where it is right here. We have more storage, but it's hard to open sometimes unless we really need to. And then our bathroom is just typical, nothing too much to see. We have the toilets in here, of course the bathroom. And then the shower is in here. It was just cleaned, his and hers. So, and I also like a body scrub. I don't know how men live without a body scrub, but I like that one. All of my skincare is in there, body wash, all that stuff. That's that. We only have one bathroom right now, and as you can see, it's a little challenging sometimes, but then also all of my colognes are on the side over here. So she has her stuff, I have my stuff. I love my perfumes, my colognes. I actually want to get rid of half of them and get more of the high-end ones, the Louis Vuitton, the Creed, all the stuff. So trying to invest into more expensive pieces that will last me longer, because a lot of those, like for example the Prada, it smelled good at the beginning, but then, and this right here is where I like to relax after a long day. Lynn likes to make the bed like this. As you can see, she needs 15 pillows, which I personally don't understand why, but she likes to have the pillows, the cabinets I chose, let me know if you like them, and then the chair, she had that some time ago. I personally don't understand why we need a chair in the room, but it makes the aesthetics look better. So this TV we use every single day. Not for any bad reasons, but we just like to watch something and just wind down after every single day and just watch maybe like a show or a movie and just talk about life. And then my side of the bedroom, I like to keep a water bottle. This one is Lark, and the cool thing about this water bottle is that it cleans 99% of all the bacteria inside, which is pretty cool. Of course, I have the lotion for the hands, especially in the winter. I have my charging station right here. This is Lynn's phone right now, but this is really cool because you can also put AirPods right here. Very nice. It's by Belkin. And then we'll show you our closet, which is not too big, but it does get the job done. I wish we had two closets, but this is very clean. We just redid all of it. Mine, of course, is the bottom. My shorts are on the one side, and then all of my shorts are over here. I don't have too much clothes. It does go all the way there, but I love hoodies, as you can tell. And I would say 95% of my clothes are Lululemon, and then the rest is probably like Aloe, and 1% is probably Marshalls. But yeah, as you can tell, I love Lululemon. My underwear is here, everything else is here. I can pull it out. It's a little mess, but as you can see, everything is Lululemon. She has her stuff here. This is our storage stuff that we like, her Louis Vuitton. And Nala loves our closet. So that is for our apartment. Right now we're gonna go outside and show you all of the amenities for our building and what we're paying for. And before we show you the amenities here in the building, I do want to show you that we are currently on the first floor right now, and this is our balcony. So fun fact, so since we have a Tesla, right, we have a Wi-Fi router right here on the side. So every time I need to update it or put some type of software, I like to park over here, which we can show them. I park the car here, the Wi-Fi reaches to the car and just charges. It just updates the car from here. And then on the other side, there's a park. So it's basically a walking distance to go walk Nala. And it's a very nice and calming area that I just come here sometimes to have, my thoughts, thinking about things, and just calm down. Right, Nala? Okay, so my favorite part, which I don't even use this, but we have a gym, and sometimes I do use it, but I like to do cardio here, especially when it's dark or not dark, because the lighting is so nice here. And of course, outside we have a hot tub, which is also very nice. But I do go to the gym, I do go to Crunch, as you can see in all the videos, but this over here, from here, you have the Peloton bikes, you have the cardio, you do have weights up to 50 pounds. It is pretty nice. The only reason why I don't come here as often is because they don't have the machines that I want and need. So, otherwise, if I would start and I didn't have any money at all, I would come here every day. It's really nice. You have views here. And then my favorite part, which I do use, is the second floor. And that is actually a yoga / a biking area and stretching area. So as you can see, I like to come here every single day and just stretch over here, and just also you can see that you can look yourself. Great place to, stretch. do yoga with a team. It's also another area to just hang out. So let me explain to you why we haven't bought a home yet. And typically it takes 2 years on your taxes to be able to afford a home, meaning be able to qualify for a loan. So I'm still working on my second year, but also because this place gives me a lot of leads, a lot of friends, and we are surrounded by people all the time. We're still young. We're kind of the youngest people that live here. We're 24 and she's 26. So I do like to be surrounded by people, and always, every time I go to the hot tub, which I'll show you, we always find a new friend. And also when we moved to this apartment, we were still not engaged, so we didn't know if we're gonna stay, what's gonna happen. And we booked a year in lease. Now we did another year. We got a really good deal because we booked it after the summer. In the summer, do one thing. Do not renew your lease or get a lease, because that's when people move for school and for work, and it's going to be much more expensive. We're saving about 20% on our lease instead of what it should have been. But I like to come here, I would say weekly, and just relax, enjoy, talk to neighbors. And this is all in the rent price, so it's not any extra. And a lot of times you can throw parties here with your friends. Of course, no alcohol, I don't drink. But the fact that you can sit here and just have a view, relax, be in your thoughts, think about your next goals. But we also show you the pool area, which is right across. Yeah, our building, so there's 2 buildings for our community basically. So there's the building A, and then there's, which has the gym and the hot tub. But the other building, which is the same company, Sola, has the pool and also has the barbecue grills. Another great thing that I really enjoy renting in this area is being able to do barbecue over there. I love grilling, I love steak, and every time I grill, I always try to talk to people and be able to connect with other people. There's so many times when I was grilling or doing something over here and I met great people that are actually my clients now or my dear friends. So it's really good to be outside the apartment, just do something. And also I don't have to do it at home, because then at home it's gonna smell like meat. So it's amazing, it's relaxing. And then I'm gonna show you the pool right now, which is why we enjoy coming here so much. I'm gonna be completely transparent. This pool is not warm. It's pretty cold. Lynn doesn't like to swim here. I personally like to swim here, especially in the sunny days. And that's because it could be kind of like your cold plunge. I don't have a cold plunge yet. I want to get in the future. But I like swimming here for just like 5 minutes, get my body warm, my cold, and then go to the hot tub and warm up. So it is pretty cold. And I usually don't see people swim here, which is nice, which means that I get the whole place for myself. But I love this area because I actually put time and effort, and this whole area, I think it's between 5 and 10 years, so it's pretty new, very nice. And we are looking to move. If we do not buy a home in next year, we might consider moving into one of these apartments that's gonna have a view of the pool. Right, babies? She's getting tired. But honestly, I like this because I also brought my grandparents here. They just enjoy the time, and you can bring friends. You can watch TV over here, relax, especially in the sunny days and when it's hot. There's a lot of people around you, so you always hear just people talk and enjoy time. But I'm gonna show you the office right now. So I was gonna show you the office, but the office is currently occupied. There's a party in there. But they have multiple TVs. It's actually nice. You can play pool over there. You can get work done over there. There's multiple tables. You can charge. There's chargers. Anything you need to get work done and also enjoy your time. There's multiple couches. You can do it over there. It's very relaxing, very nice. But then there's also a private business room, which is right there on the 2nd floor. You can get as much work done as you want. If you have Zoom meetings or you just want to create content like this. Some of my videos were shot in that room. The first couple of videos. So it is a good area to create content too. Another reason why I like this place so much is because it's very convenient, like I said before. And the HOA and the community is really following what people want. So they're building libraries and all that stuff in here, but also they're building Christmas trees and everything holiday wise. They like to show this. So as you can see, they have palm trees, they have restaurants in here, the gym is right here, so I don't have to walk too far. But of course a Christmas tree or a New Year's tree, whatever works best for you. And at night it looks so cool, especially all the palm trees, they have the lights on them. So it's just really a nice area to walk around. I feel very safe. It's in Carmel Valley area that not many people know about. So there's not much crime in here, not much stealing. So we feel very nice and protected, especially when we walk outside in the parks. And like I said at the beginning of the video, there's multiple parks and mountains on that side. And that is why I like to go over there after the gym and just think, either listen to an audiobook or just go for a walk with the little puppy. We have everything in here. We have Starbucks, we have all the restaurants here, Trader Joe's. It's a very convenient place, and we are looking to move and get a bigger home in the future. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I got some comments in the past of asking to show a tour of the apartment. So I hope you liked the video. I enjoyed making this, and I'm gonna look back in the future and see where I came from and where I'm currently at. Hopefully I'm gonna have either a penthouse or just a bigger place that makes me happier. I'm really liking creating this type of content that makes me happy. And if you want to tune in, share, subscribe, and until next time, take it easy.